Hi everyone, Said at R U Cars. Today we've got this 2009 BMW 120D Coupe A, E82 I think. I could be wrong on that, who knows. Anyway, it's finished in Le Mans blue with the black leather. It's got 68,000 miles and an absolutely mental service history file. It's like a Bible. Anything it's ever needed, it's clearly got. It's got a great spec. With your bi-xenon lights, your front and rear parking sensors, the 18-inch alloys which are finished in ferric grey, 4 really good tyres, high gloss shadowline trim. Very clean and straight, as you can see. Drives incredibly well, recent brakes, comes fully serviced. New MOT, etc. Hard to believe that this car is 15 years old when you're looking at it. Super, super nice. You will find 1 or 2 very small marks on it. But that's all. Other than some stone chips, it's lovely. Let's show you inside. We'll begin with the boot as usual. There you go. So, good sized boot with the split fold rear seats. And your warning triangle up top there. No funny smells, no horror stories in here. Just all very clean and original. Inside we've got the Boston leather, I think. Yeah, Boston leather with this one. Finished in the black. Very good condition. Minimal wear to the driver's bolster. The rear 2 seats are as new, as you can see there. And it does have Isofix in the back. Got the armrest in the centre, your multifunction steering wheel, folding mirrors. I believe this one's got the Pro Audio, if you can just see the tweeters there. Yeah, super, super clean and tidy. Cruise control is just there, look. Got the professional radio, your dual climate control, 6-speed gearbox, the brushed aluminium trim, your cup holders, phone cradle, and auxiliary inputs just there, look. It's also got main beam assist, and I will just start the car now so you can see there are no warnings or any nasties with it. Just wait for the... There we go, so 68,607. You see that little A come up in the display there. That's your auto main beam, just to show it has got it. Bit of storage up the top there. There you go. Start button's in good condition, a lot of these wear out. It does have Bluetooth telephone, I think. Let's see. Menu, telephone. Yeah, of course it does. I've shown you the cradle already. USB, auxiliary tuner, and CD. And there you have it. Great car, drives perfectly, very well maintained, very well cared for. If you need to know anything else, please do just give us a call on 01509 267 111. Thanks for watching.